Welcome back, everyone. I thought I'd bring you guys along to check out these oyster mushrooms. These are awesome. I've already harvested a few here and I wanted to bring everybody along. This was a cool little kit we had. Oh, it's a strange feeling peeling that off. It's a beautiful little mushroom though. Hold this under the light here. We got a small one off the bottom. Very cool. This fills my hand out. It's a pretty decent sized mushroom. I've harvested a couple of them and I've been cooking them, just sauteing or frying them up with our food, and they are absolutely delicious. So this kit was fun and awesome, but it is very small. I could only grow so many on here, which we still got a few here, and it's still growing, but you can see that it's only so big and it has to sit in this kind of crafty bag. I had it in a makeshift humidor, like a Rubbermaid box type deal, and it started growing very well. So this is the result of that. Very, very cool stuff. This is our first little experiment with mushrooms. We bought some shiitake liquid inoculant that we're going to experiment with this spring. We want to do some more of these oyster mushrooms. They're super easy to grow, but I don't want to have to buy the kits and logs to do it with. Very cool stuff though, nonetheless. And the fact that these grow so large so quickly makes them a super easy crop to harvest. These are highly nutritious and you can eat them raw also. Even though I like to cook them first, they can be eaten raw, like in a salad, etc. It could be a nice addition to our salads, and homegrown nonetheless. Sitting down here talking about mushrooms while I have all these berries. I got these at the store the other day. I couldn't help myself. I am going to pot all of these up. I have a major order of fruit coming in very soon, so I have all these to pot up, and then I will be putting all of my fruit out in my greenhouse to harden off before it gets planted out as soon as it is warm enough here. Once again, I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and thank you to all the new subscribers we've gotten recently. This is a very cool little experiment. I suggest everybody try and grow some type of mushroom on your own, because if you love mushrooms, you will probably like the ones that you can grow at home that you usually don't find in the stores.